Alright, y'all. Excuse me. Y'all see that I'm back on here this time? We got earthquake problem. We got a major 7.4 in Japan, along with a whole bunch more pretty good sized earthquakes. I'm trying to zoom in on the wrong phone. Alright. Sorry about that. It's hard to operate and hold two of them at one time. Y'all see all them pink? Them are big time earthquakes. That 7.4 is a major earthquake. We gotta watch, cause now what's gonna happen? Huh? Anybody know? Can anybody tell me what's about to happen next? Look at all them right there. Look at them. All that pressure gonna come right on up through here. Right into this bend. And it's gonna come around right on up into Alaska. Which is already showing signs of being backed up. Okay? Now, coming on down through here. What do y'all see wrong right there? There's a lot of earthquakes right there around Washington. Look at this, California. 20 plus. Look at all them earthquakes. They everywhere. Let me click on that 10. Now, y'all see how them spread it out? Now, let me try to zoom this in some. Now, y'all see all these over here in Nevada? California? Look at this. What do y'all see right there? That is Yellowstone. Look at the earthquakes in Yellowstone today. Unreal. Alright, we're going to back out a little bit. West Texas. East Texas. Steel, Missouri, a 2.47. I mean, y'all, we can't make these things up. This is real stuff. Look down here in Mexico, and that ain't even zoomed in. Right up here, I've been telling y'all to watch this for a month. Trying to see what size that is. 6.20. And then them are going to be bending right in there because of plates. And I've been telling y'all to watch down in here for a month. And look what's happened. Boom. I seen all this coming. I've been telling y'all all this was coming. Alright, we're going to come on over here. Look right there. In the New Zealand area. Look at all them earthquakes. We can zoom in if you want. Look at that. Y'all, something is finna majorly happen to the world. There's no way around it. Look at them two in Australia. Alright, then they're coming around these plates. Look up there. Look right here. 50 in this location. Look at that when you spread it out. It's still showing 50. And 20. And 10 and 10. 20 and 10. Y'all, there is a lot of earthquakes right here. And not only there. Let me zoom it back out a minute. Somewhere over here it showed 100. I guess they knew I was going to show y'all. But anyway, look, all that pressure going right around them cracks. La Palma, all out in there. up to Mid-Atlantic Ridge, up to Iceland. This is pretty bad. This is a bad, 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 bad situation. I did not even expect to come on here and do nothing about earthquakes today. But after seeing this, I felt obligated and I felt that it was very necessary to come on here and to let y'all know that this is not normal. Let me show y'all all this. Let me zoom all the way out. Y'all see Alaska, Canada, North America, most of South America. Look over here. Can y'all not tell that these are blocked up? New Zealand. Look. Usually these let go when it picks up over here. It's not letting go. It's backing up all the way around what they call the ring of fire. And it's going to start backing up through here. And when it backs up all the way around, we better be ready. Because there's going to be a quake probably like we ain't never seen if that happens. So, I thought I'd come on here and share that with y'all. And, y'all just stay posted. Keep an eye out on my channel, because I'm always covering the weather, earthquakes, volcanoes, anything like that. I try to cover, and then every once in a while I throw y'all extra video in or something. I storm chase, I report, I do a lot of stuff, and I do it all free for you, free of charge. All I ask is, please like, share, subscribe if you like, when it's safe to do so. But that is a major earthquake, that 7.4 in Japan, and I got a feeling that it's not going to stop there. There's going to be more pretty soon. So y'all have a blessed night. God bless you. God bless the world. Good night.